John and Joe had an equal number of marbles at first. After John lost 1560 and Joe lost 2350, John had twice as many marbles as Joe. How many marbles did each of them have at first? Alright, so now, are we going to draw the models at first, or are we going to draw the model in the end first? Right, for this case, when we look at the statement, it says that in the end, John had twice as many marbles as Joe. Alright, so we're going to draw the model in the end first. So in the end, Joe will have 1 unit because Joe has least, so we assign 1 unit to be of Joe, and therefore John would have 2 units. Alright, now the question tells us that, okay, after John lost 1560 and Joe lost 2350, then it becomes like this. And they have the same number at first. Alright, so the model at first for Joe will be what he has in the end, which is 1 unit plus whatever he lost, 2350. And then for that of John is 2 units, alright, plus whatever he lost, which is 1560. You notice that the model for both Joe and John should be of equal length at first, because the question tells us that both of them had an equal number of marbles at first. Alright, so now we compare the models of Joe and John at first and find the difference, and the difference is here. Alright, from the difference straight away we know that 1 unit is equivalent to 2350 subtract 1560. Do your sum and you'll get 1 unit to be 790. Now the question is, how many marbles did each of them have at first? Okay, so we can look at the model of Joe or the model of John. It doesn't matter because you're supposed to get the same number end or day. So let's look at Joe. Joe at first will have 790, which is 1 unit plus 2350. Alright, work out the sum and you get 3140. And John, if you take 2 units, which is 790 plus 790 plus 1560, you're going to end up having 3140 as well. Alright, so each of them had 3140 number of marbles at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.